And this 4th of July 2024. And looks like it's raining on that side. And after I see a funnel cloud, maybe it goes away. Hopefully it'll go away. Right there. So crazy. Oh, it's getting longer. Yeah. Whoa, that's crazy. I've never seen him like that before.
See this stuff breaking up and it's getting lighter over there.
Yeah. But look. Oh yeah, it's touching the water. I see it. You see him down on the bottom?
Yeah.
See if I can get a closer look. Well, I hope it stays out there. Looks like a water spout down there. I just hope it stays there. Whoa, that's creepy. Well, yeah, but still, we gotta be prepared. Whoa, that's water spout, people. Never seen one like it. First time ever. Spinning right there. There's the pail. Crazy. Yeah, it looks like it's how clear it is now. It stays there.
No, it was over here.
It's getting bigger though. So guys, there's a water spout in that right there. So there is July the 4th, 2024. And it's about 8:42 in the morning. And look how clear it is on that side. And the water is beautiful. Looks like that storm is moving that way. Stay there. Okay, I'm releasing the baby shark. I'm about to release the baby shark. There's a baby shark, people. Look at that. Look at her eyes. Good blue. No, not yet. Here he goes. Go to your mama. Go to your mama. There we go. There we go. You're going the wrong way. The storm is over. It's gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Look what we got. The biggest pompano ever. A bigger shark this time. Look at the fisherman over there. That's a big shark. Whoa. That's a big shark. I'm gonna release him. I'm nervous because he's bigger.